Good morning, welcome back to Roy Family Farms. I'm Chris, and we are slacking this morning. I'm kind of getting a late start on feeding the animals and all that, and we've got a decent amount on the agenda today. We got to move the pigs, and then just normal daily chores. I've been working on this chicken tractor here. I'm not very far. I want to film some of that, but I'm kind of in a time crunch, so I'm not able to do a detailed video on it. I might record some more, not some more, but record some of the rest of the progress on this. We'll just have to see how it goes. Alright. We're gonna get the cow feed, just a little protein supplement ready for them, and some oats for Bill. And I'll kind of show you what we do, our like double faceted fly controlled method here. With the feed, we put a little bit of garlic powder on it, and it seems to help a lot. And there's a lot of stuff showing that garlic actually helps. Garlic actually helps with parasites. To kind of prevent parasites, so you kind of get a double benefit there. So with Bill's, we just sprinkle in the scoop some of this garlic powder here, and with the cows, we just sprinkle some on the top here. It really seems to help with face flies. Pardon the filming here. I know it's atrocious. I'm trying to get this done and film at the same time. I was too lazy to go grab the tripod, so you're just gonna have to bear with me here. Put the lid back on here. They are not very happy with me slacking today, though. Oh, you're gonna have to just, nope, yeah, kind of look up at the sky while I walk over here with this stuff. They're not gonna be too pleased if I delay this anymore, so we're just gonna do what we can here. All right, Billiam. Here you go, buddy. Look at that. All excited. Now, for the cows, there you go, Barrett. Here you go, Heidi. And here you go, ribeyes. Now, for the fly spray. I'm gonna walk over here and grab this junk. It works pretty good. I think I talked about it. I know I talked about it before. It's essential oils, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and some dish soap. We put that in a pump-up sprayer, and I spray them while they're eating this food here because they really do not care for being sprayed. They're starting to get a little used to it, so it's not as big of a deal. And I'll spray them down here in a sec. And Bill. And Bill's eating the cow feed instead of his oats. Dude, no. That ain't for you, bud. He does not like you spraying him, so if I spray him, he'll... Yeah, get over there. Come on. Let's move this dish over to ribeye now, since Bill's a thief. There you go, buddy. Alright. Sorry about all this atrocious filming here. We'll set up the tripod here. We'll try to show the fly spray. Let's see, how's that look? That looks like that'll be good. back over to your food. No, baby. Come on, get back over to your area. Alright, we're going to call that good. So we got that done. The pigs have not been let out or fed yet. I'm going to try to get them in a dog cage and then move their tractor over to where I want it and then put them in that and then put the electric poultry netting up. So I guess we'll get to that right now. Alright, here's an update. We got the pigs moved to their new spot. It's a little bit shaded and not quite as rich of grass, but that's also part of why we're putting them here, so they can till stuff up and they'll fertilize a little bit with their manure and their pee, and then we'll seed through here and try to get, as you can see, this stuff is really sandy right in here. So we're going to try to get this rejuvenated. It's packed down pretty hard, so they'll till it up a bit, and hopefully this will be some lush green grass, because we're going to expand our pastures up here for cows and everything, and we're going to run pretty much everything on everything. It'll be the cows, and then depending on the pasture, the marginal pastures we'll put the pigs on, then the chickens to follow eat the fly larvae out of the manure. But now I gotta finish taking down the electric poultry netting, hog netting, which I did not record. I did not record me doing all this because it's only me and it's kind of hard to record and do all this at once, but I'll try to show as much of it as I can. So let's get to pulling down the hog netting. the run is now up, and these gnats are terrible. I did not film any of it. It's so humid and nasty out. I just really wasn't feeling taking the time to set up and film. I know I'm bad about that, but we got it up. The pigs are super happy. They're already tilling up some of this. If you look at the little one right there, I forget what Amelia named her, but she's already rooting stuff up there. There's probably plenty of acorns and stuff, old acorns buried in here, so that's probably what they're going after. But yeah, they got a new home for now. They'll till this up for us. We'll seed in this area and try to get the grass to grow in a little bit thicker, because all this around here and back over there is all going to end up being pasture area. So we'll have the pigs do the hard work for us. Now that we got the pigs situated, I need to get some mowing going on where they were at. That grass is insanely high, if you could see it over there. Went to seed head a long time ago. I'll check on these chicks. They're good on water. They could use some more food after I'm done mowing. But yeah, I'm gonna get this mowing done. Cows need to get moved to another pasture. I don't know that that's gonna happen today. It'll probably be 2 days. Yeah, probably 2 days from now. I work tomorrow, so I could just put them out on that pasture, but I kind of want to run some poly rope, and I want to run a poly rope like cross fence, because I want them to have smaller paddocks so they actually eat everything that's in there instead of selectively graze and all that. So I need to move this chicken tractor out of the way so I could get the lawnmower out. So that's what I'm going to do now. Well, I got all the mowing done. Now I'm going to put out some corn for the deer. I like to keep them coming through here. And there's a big old oak tree here. They love to come through and bed down under here, so I'm going to put a little corn out for them. And I think that's about going to wrap it up for the day. It's been a long one, so I don't even know what to say any more than that, really. Well, that's going to wrap it up. If you like our channel, please like, subscribe, and share. It just helps us grow the channel and share our knowledge and adventure of starting a small farm.